Are you struggling to talk in front of the camera because you stutter too much? Well, I got the perfect hack. And don't worry, it's not gonna cost you anything. Let's get into it. Number one, you need a script. If you don't have a script and you don't know what to say, don't worry. All you have to do is use AI. Go to ChatGPT or Poe and ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. You can type something like, give me a script for hairless dogs about do's and don'ts with their skin. AI is gonna give you a detailed script about what to say in front of the camera. Once you have the script, you can edit it like adding or deleting some stuff that you don't like. The next step is to download Caption app. Once you download Caption app, don't pay for anything. For the second step, you'll need a second camera. You can use another phone or camera like a GoPro, and of course a tripod or two. The stick tripod I'm using is very compact and sturdy, expands up to 62 inches and includes a remote. I'll leave a link down below if you want to get it. I highly recommend it. Click on Create. Click on Teleprompter. Now paste your script. Click on Record. Start recording in your second camera, and all you have to do is read from the teleprompter. Once you finish reading your script, you'll have a flawless and professional video for free. You will also have a recorded video in the Caption app. If you want to keep it, you will have to pay for the Pro Premium plan. And that's it. Simple as that. Hopefully this video was helpful. Leave a comment and click like. Thank you for watching.